This is an original painting that I made by hand. And this is the print that I sell from it. So today I'm going to show you how I turn one of my paintings into this for literally less than $3. My name is Dallin. I have been an artist for a long time, like 10 years. When I lived in Atlanta, I was a traveling artist. I would just go to different places like the park and Little 5 Points and sell my art on the street. And I would do a pretty good job. Like I did that for a couple of years and I really enjoyed it. But now I'm a server and I live in Mississippi, closer to my family. I still wanted a way to be able to sell my art to people who enjoy these kinds of paintings, because Mississippi isn't really like where you go to find abstract art. You kind of go here to find like landscapes and barns and ponds and stuff. Original art is expensive, y'all, and prints are very important so that people who, you know, aren't able to afford a $500 painting are still able to appreciate and support you and your work. This is 20 bucks. So let's get into how we do it. The first thing you got to do is you got to take a really good picture of your painting. So set it up where there's some good like natural lighting, where some windows are, or set up like 2 lights on both sides facing your painting so there's no glare. I have epoxy resin on mine, so you can't like get a good picture of it if there's like light right in front of it. So you kind of got to light it from both sides. But you get that picture, and if it's not perfectly straight, you can bring it into ChatGPT. I'm sorry, I know I'm an artist and sometimes I use ChatGPT, but I'm not the only one, I promise you. But you can take it into ChatGPT if it's a little wonky and just tell them to straighten it up, and do not mess with the image at all, just straighten it up and get it ready for prints. Okay? Then what you do is you take it into Canva and you open an 8x10, put your painting in there, you make sure that it fits and all the dimensions are exactly how you want it. And then the easy part is you download it as a PNG, the maximum amount of pixels. Then you take it into Walmart, the photo thing online. You take it into Walmart and you just make your prints, and see, you can see right there it says like $2.90 something per print. Then I get my business cards made. I put 1 business card in the back, and you can also get these cool things on Amazon. I will put a link in the description where you can get them. They were super cheap. You can get a pack of 50 for like 10 bucks. All right, so we are back from Walmart. We have our prints, and this is how it turned out. Literally amazing, gorgeous, fantastic. So what you do with this, or what I do with this, so you take it and you attach it to its backing, and you put it in one of these clear bags. That one's actually really dirty. I'm not gonna use that one. Put it in one of these beautiful, clean, clear bags. Like so. Okay? And then if you want to, you can write the name of the painting on the back. Take one of your business cards and just slide it right down there in the back. And then you have a professional print that you made for literally less than $4 that you can sell for 20 bucks, and that's a huge profit margin. You can easily bring these with you to whatever art show or fair or whatever that you're going to be at. And yeah, I hope that this helped. And yeah, it's literally that's simple. You can get prints in your hand literally today. That's what I did. I watched a video on YouTube. I've been watching Kayla Carlisle on YouTube, and I'm absolutely in love with this woman. I think she is just an amazing artist, and I really think that it's cool that she used to do realism and then she got tired of it, and now she does abstract art, and her abstract is just like amazing. I love it because she loves it, you know, and you can really tell when an artist is like painting because they enjoy it, and then rather than painting just to, you know, sell it. And that's something that I've always appreciated in art, because I paint, you know, some really wacky stuff, and it's not for everybody, and I know that, but I love it because, you know, there's a lot of my own self and emotions in these pieces. And if you want any of these pieces, You can actually find them on dammitdallin.com. You can buy prints or my originals there, and t-shirts if you want. But the prints are done by Printful, so it's not going to be this type of print. It's not going to come in this bag. It's not going to come with a card. I haven't set that up to where they do that yet, but yeah, Printful is going to send you their own thing. But if you want one of these, you can message me directly, or direct message me on TikTok or Instagram, RedFoxATL on both of those. I would love for you to come over and join me on those communities, because I have like 365,000 followers on TikTok, and I love talking to people over there. This was just a quick video. I wanted to get one out there because I haven't posted in a while. And I thought it was cool that I just got these prints done. I'm going to be doing the Loblolly Festival here in Laurel in September, and so I needed some prints to be able to sell. If y'all are in the Laurel area in September, y'all should definitely come and see my booth. And if not, then oh well. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to get better at posting more often, and if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe to all the things. Even press the little notification bell if that suits your fancy. But I hope you're having a great week, and I will see you next week.